here at the bike. The rear rack has been installed and it fit with absolutely no problems. I think the bar length is great, and we'll cap that off. I got some good epoxy for that. The diameter was looser, but once you tighten these up, it sits real tight. The front one is absolutely perfect as well. Just wanted to show you, I ended up using the shorter length washers you created, Len. They fit right in there very well. The hole-to-hole distance is absolutely perfect. Go ahead and tighten that up here. And I found these bolts are just the perfect length here. Go ahead and use those. And the seat's back on. I was a little nervous about the clearance to slide that seat back on, but it, like everything else, has worked out beautifully and fit perfectly. Got some nice machined end caps installed now. They're absolutely beautiful. Alright, now that the rack's installed, it's time to get the bike mount set up. The rack is now installed. It fit very well. The weight's distributed evenly with some of the load on the passenger seat, which I like. There's plenty of room given the generous span of the bars. And I put the bike tray off to the side here to allow room for the front wheel mount. Now